nothing else going on. Let us torture this helpless creature in peace.
What is going on?
But really, they say that they don't care if it dies. They're having fun. Leave them alone. They start to beat it even more cruelly.
Yeah, it's a multi-car crash. It's okay. I think it just happened. So, it'll be alright. I don't think you need to throw your cautions on like this guy, but...
Oh, man.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What?
It's bad. Someone's sideways.
Oh, shit.
So it's in this lane. I think we want to go one over. I don't know.
Someone.
Don't go through there. God damn, this is bad. Go to the... I just don't want to drive through all this glass. There's a lot of glass.
I don't know what to do.
Slowly go through. Just slowly
Like with
drive
those cars?
through. Yeah. Follow the car in front of you. Jesus. Watch out for this guy to your left. Just let them go.
Frank's here first.
Just let them go.
Fine, fine.
It's not worth it. Like, look at all this shit, Jen.